So today, I'll show you how to create an alarm on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So begin by swiping up on the watch face to access the app menu. Then scroll down and find alarm. Here it is. Tap on it. Then tap on the plus icon to create an alarm. And then choose the time that you'd like the alarm to go off. So let's say at that particular hour and that particular minute. Then tap on the check mark. And then you can choose to customize it on if you want it to repeat once or daily, or you can customize it. So tap on that. Choose the frame you'd like for it to go off. So if you want once, you can choose that. If you want daily, select that. Or you can customize it and choose the dates that you'd like. So let's say Monday. Okay, let's say Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then tap on the check mark again. And then you can decide to enable the smart wake feature. So toggle it on. And then once you have customized it to suit your needs, tap on the check mark. And that will create that particular alarm. So additionally, you can create an alarm using the Mi Fitness app. So grab your device that is paired to the Smart Band 9 and open the Mi Fitness band, or rather the Mi Fitness app, sorry. Then select device from the home screen, tap on that, and then choose the apps option. Select that, and then find the alarm option and tap on it. And as you can see, the alarm that we created is now visible on the Mi Fitness app. So this is the alarm we created, and here it is. So if you want to create another alarm, so just tap on add, and then choose the time that you like the alarm to go off. So let's say at 10 p.m. Then choose it. If you want to repeat, choose the repeat button and choose the day. If you want it to repeat once or daily, or you can customize it, and then choose the days that you'd like it to repeat. Then confirm that, and then you can additionally you can enable the smart wake option. And then once you have created the alarm, tap on the check mark, and that alarm will be added. So when you grab your smart band, you can also see this particular alarm is linked, it's created on the smart band. So let's see, and here it is. So that's basically how to create an alarm on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, consider to like and subscribe.